Hey guys,
Hello.
come and join us today for some breakfast.
It's been a while.
It's been a long
I
time.
forgot how to do this little YouTube stuff.
But
But come with us today. Spend the day with us. We're going to eat breakfast and then
where are we
are
going?
We telling them where we're going next? Or we're gonna
just have them tune into the video and they'll find out.
we'll catch you guys inside.
Alright, peace out.
What are you getting?
Mimosa.
Why? It's 12
They're
o'clock.
good from here.
What?
They're good from here. Hey, we got the drinks. Wait, hold on, wait.
Yours looks
I know, right? Because I'm cool. You get the basic mimosa.
What is that? Watermelon?
I think
Oh,
so.
you had a tequila sunrise.
Yeah. Alright, bye. You already laughing and we just got our drinks, guys. Come on. And you're clapping in freaking, you're clapping in the restaurant? Look, we literally just got our drink.
I haven't even taken a sip yet.
No, you have.
I'm a child.
And she's already dying laughing. Chill. Where we going after this?
Did we tell them? I don't think we told them.
Oh yeah, boy. We just got our food. Look. Wait, we got the ketchup. Oh shit. Looks good, right?
These are hard as hell.
You got lobster Benedict. Did I get? Farmer's market omelet.
Damn, you didn't even wait for me to eat.
Sorry.
This food look busting.
You like it, babe? You're grubbing, huh?
This is messy.
It looks good.
It's so good.
It looks real good.
2 drinks, seriously?
Bruh.
Are you going through something that I don't know about?
No, I swear.
Why are you drinking so much?
Why not?
How's your food?
Good.
Can y'all tell this man to finish his food?
I'm not officially done until I eat this piece of bread.
Alright, so eat it. The crust and everything. No, you have to eat the crust. For YouTube. Do it for them. No. Hurry up, stop being childish. Finish it. The whole thing. No, no little bites. Eat it all.
Hey. Keep fucking that shit up.
Good. And how about that one?
Bruh.
You suck. Wow. Good job.
We're leaving? You gotta finish your drink.
I know I am.
You ready for where we're going?
I'm ready to go to bed.
To bed? It's only what?
I'm tired.
It's here, cheers. Come on. Hey. Cass, it's only 1:01. Look, you with your little military time. It's 1:01. But cheers again.
I can take a nap.
Are you ready for where we're going after this?
Am I ready for a nap?
Chill. I gotta finish my drink. Can we leave? I do not want to pay.
You want to dine and dash?
Dine and dash? Nah.
I don't live here no more.
Let's go. I want to go.
Dash.
I want to leave.
Let's go.
Are you paying? Can you pay?
No.
Can I take my card back?
Hurry up, lady.
It's been like what, 20 minutes?
Why are we still here?
What?
Why are we still here?
It's been 20 minutes and she still has not came to pick up her
Put it back in
freaking.
your pocket and let's go.
Wait, what?
That means to put it back in your pocket and let's go.
Okay then, buddy. Yes, sir. We just left T's.
I'm a little buzzed, y'all.
Cass is a little buzzed. I had what, 2 mimosas? We still going where we want to go?
I don't know. It's up to you.
I don't know. We'll find out. Alright, guys. So we just came up with.
Look what my man just bought me, y'all.
What's that? Alright. Okay. The Walker Razors. Pink.
Do you guys know where we're going?
Where are we going?
We're going to the range.
We got 200 rounds.
I'm only gonna shoot like 50.
Like 20.
Yes.
Alright, let's go. See ya at the range. Alright, guys. So Cassie just got a new gift. Can you open it? Alright, let's see. Let's see your new gift.
Okay, period.
Hey.
How do you like?
She got the Walker Razors.
Ew, why is my head like that?
You gotta adjust it. She got the Walker Razors in pink and black. Okay. Alright, so she just put the batteries in there. Put them on. And then turn it on. Look at me. Let me see. Turn them on.
Hello.
You can hear me?
Oh shit.
Hey.
Hello?
You like it? Can you hear me?
How the fuck can I hear you?
Cuz. You like it?
Hey!
Mad loud.
Say something.
Yo, 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 yo.
Say something.
Yo, yo, yo.
Hello. Hello.
Yo.
Hello, hello,
Look at me,
hello,
look at me.
hello, hello, hello.
Okay, guys, she got the Walker headphones, earmuffs. Alright, my fault. Let's go. You ready? Which one you want? Okay. Turn them on.
Yeah.
You can hear me? Hey, we're at Mid-State. We got a Glock 43X. We got the, okay. We got the Taurus G3C over there. You ready, babe?
No.
No?
Do my glasses look dumb?
Nah, they look good. This
What
was the only one that I hit on there.
What'd you just say?
Let's do this again. It's been a while.
That's your excuse?
Yup.
Okay.
Cassidy's going. Let's see what she does.
That paper's slanted.
Okay. 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 We got the guys. Sorry for the background noise. Right, Cass? Cass is sweating. Say something.
I'm nervous. I'm hot.
Cass takes 30 minutes just to load.
What?
You take like 30 minutes just to load a little round. Go. Let's see what you got. Go. Nah. Let's see. Can she hit her target? Hit the top middle. Let's see what she got. Oh, okay, perfect. Okay. I think you do like that one better than the 43X. Okay. Alright, guys. Cassidy likes the gun that I don't. What do you guys think about that? Okay. You're in. You're close. Go. Ready? All right. Let's see what we can do. First time using the mic. Let me see. Was that right under the red? I can't even get the red. Are you watching? Let's see, hold up. Let's go. A little closer. Oh, higher. My grouping's all to the left, guys. Can't get it. Can't get it.
Alright, I'm for the top one, but it's looking rough. I don't even know where the hell this shit's going.
Alright, guys. Rounds or so left. I don't know how it hit me with shooting going on in the background. Alright. We got the 4X. Alright, let's go. This is what? 10 yards? Alright, first lag. That's it. We got lag for the range day. Here we go. That one only had one.
Bruh.
Thank you. Let's go. Alright guys, so came out with a free hat. That wraps up the video. Kass got her Walker Razor headphones.
Thanks, B.
I actually got mine today too. I think that wraps up the video, right?
Yes. Bye, y'all.
See you guys real soon. My baby looking good. Alright guys, that wraps up today's
video.
Today we went to go eat. We went to go shoot at the range. My baby got her Walker Razor
Yes, thank you.
earmuffs.
My man.
I actually got a pair as well. Subscribe, comment.
Let us know what you guys want to see next because we've been slacking low key, high key. Let us know what you guys want to see. And stay tuned because we're low key moving like different coasts. So like yeah, just stay tuned, y'all. Let us know. Comment. We love you guys.
Peace out.
Bye.
See you guys.